Welcome back to Davil AI Matrix, where we explore the bleeding edge of technology. Today, everything changes for AI filmmaking forever. For too long, creators have struggled with disjointed 5-second clips that never truly connect into a cohesive and compelling narrative story. Enter Elsa AI, a revolutionary platform designed not just for clips, but for producing full-length movies up to 30 minutes. Think of this tool as your personal Hollywood studio, capable of maintaining perfect visual consistency across hundreds of complex, detailed scenes. Let us walk through the workflow to see how easily you can transform a simple thought into a cinematic masterpiece today. It starts with a simple idea. We input a prompt about Patches, a lonely teddy bear searching for his lost owner. The AI instantly analyzes your concept, expanding that single sentence into a rich narrative with emotional depth and logical progression. Within seconds, a full script appears, complete with dialogue, pacing, and emotional beats that would normally take days to write. Next, we define the technical parameters. We select a cinematic 16:9 aspect ratio to give it that movie feel. Quality is paramount, so we choose the Elsa Image S model, known for its incredible detail and realistic rendering capabilities. To set the mood, we apply a specific art style, choosing a whimsical aesthetic reminiscent of the famous Studio Ghibli animations. Now for the most critical part, character management. The system locks onto Patch's design to ensure he never changes appearance. This feature guarantees that your protagonist looks exactly the same in every single frame, solving the biggest problem in AI video. The AI then breaks the script down into a visual storyboard, or suggesting camera angles and lighting setups for each moment. You maintain full creative control. You can manually adjust the timing on the timeline, ensuring the pacing feels natural and human. Sound is half the experience. You can add background music and sound effects directly within the tool to enhance the atmosphere. The tool even allows for direct voiceover integration, syncing the audio to the character's performance for a truly immersive experience. With all elements in place, we hit render. What used to take months of animation work is now processed in minutes. Let us watch the final result. Here is the opening sequence of our AI-generated short film titled The Forgotten Toy. Notice the emotional weight in his eyes. The texture of the wet fur and the lighting create a deeply touching atmosphere. The background characters blend naturally into the scene. Shah is creating a living world without distracting from our main character's lonely journey. The camera angles are dynamic and cinematic. The lighting shifts realistically as the day turns into a golden, hopeful sunset. The AI handles complex narrative shifts like flashbacks effortlessly, changing the color palette to signify a warm and happy memory. Visual storytelling is key. The discovery of the red scarf acts as a plot device that the AI planted intentionally. Even in fast-paced motion scenes, the character integrity holds up perfectly. There is no warping or distortion in the movement. The climax captures genuine emotion. The subtle change in the character's expression demonstrates the nuanced acting capabilities of this AI model. This entire touching sequence was generated in just 10 minutes, a process that would traditionally take a team several months. The efficiency is undeniable. We are looking at a massive reduction in production time without sacrificing any of the artistic quality. Beyond what we showed, Elsa AI also supports multi-character dialogue, automatic lip-syncing, and ultra-high-definition 4K video export. This tool democratizes filmmaking. You no longer need a massive budget or a large crew to tell your unique stories. It bridges the gap between imagination and reality, allowing your wildest ideas to come to life on the screen instantly. The community is already creating amazing things. From sci-fi epics to intimate dramas, the possibilities are truly endless for creators. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in AI technology, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. We bring you the latest tools and tutorials every single week to help you master the future of digital creation. I have one question for you today. If you could create any movie in just 10 minutes, what would it be? Drop your movie ideas in the comments section below. We would love to read them and maybe feature them next. Thank you for watching this revolution in storytelling. Subscribe to Davil AI Matrix for more future tech. See you next time.